How to schedule an email in Outlook. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm using the new Outlook right now, and we're just going to go ahead and click new mail here, and then we're going to go ahead and basically fill in everything. Say for example, I'm going to send this to my other account, and say for example, we already completed the email here, so you have added the subject, you have added here, say for example, the message, and what you're going to do before clicking the send button here is click this arrow right here, and there is the schedule send. So you can go ahead and click that over there, and you can go ahead and then try to click this one, choose this, or you can basically customize your own time. So just go ahead and click that over there, and then go ahead and try to schedule this or choose the date and time when you want this to be sent. So yeah, this is the time right here, say for example 1 p.m. and this is scheduled for October 21, 2024 at 1 p.m. Now I'm going to click the send button, click send, and then afterwards you should be able to schedule this already. Now, in terms of finding it, you can go ahead and click here your favorites, drafts, and you should be able to see it here. And that, everybody, is how you're going to schedule an email in Outlook.